Hello, my name is Adrienne Hill, and I am the CHW Program Manager for VHHA, and today I'm going to show you how to use a glucometer or glucose meter and also show you how to check your blood sugar at home. As we begin this process, here are a few things that you'll need. You will need your meter, lancets that match the meter, alcohol swabs here, Band-Aid, the lancet, and the device to put the lancet in. And now I will demonstrate how to check your blood sugar. First, you want to pick a finger. Any finger is fine, but keep in mind that when you go to poke your finger, you want to use either side and not the middle of the pad because it can become a little painful. So let's go ahead and use my middle finger, taking my alcohol gauze, and I'm going to wipe it to clean the area. Once I wipe it to clean the area, let it dry just a little bit. And as it is drying, you want to take your strip, and depending on your device, you want to take your strip and slide it into your meter. At this time, it is ready to do your test. Now that my finger is dry, I will take my lancet device. I will hold to the side of my finger, and I will press. And you do what's called milking in order to get blood to come out. You want to draw quite a bit of blood. As you squeeze, draw blood, take your device, tap it briefly. The machine will now begin to count down. And your reading should come up. Once that's completed, take your gauze or your alcohol pad, wipe the blood, wipe it clear, and then place your Band-Aid to cover the area. Now that I've shown you the steps on how to take your blood sugar at home, just keep in mind that it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Just make sure that you have a good glucometer device. Make sure that your strips match the device. Make sure that your lancets go with your glucometer as well. And make sure that you have the items that are here when you do your testing. Thank you so much, and I hope that this has been informational and educational.